Good question. I want you guys to sew both sides. So I'm not going to do it because,
It's not necessary for you to.
yeah, you guys don't need to go through all of that. This is already a long demo. It's super long. It's an all day long demo. So we'll start with our shoulder dart. And you guys remember with the shoulder dart, what does that do? What's one of the biggest purposes for doing that?
Fits the neckline closer.
Pulls the neckline closer in around the neck. Exactly. Alright, so I have my match point there. See where I have a little hole. Back stitch in the beginning. Alright, and I need to sew past the match point. I would say once you get to the match point, that's where you can start to reduce your stitch width. So I'm going to reduce this to 1.5 as I go to the point of my dart. Alright, and then why do we want to reduce the stitch width at the point?
So it gets tighter.
So it gets
you don't
tighter.
have to do a back stitch.
Exactly, we don't have to do a back stitch, and we can just tie a knot and it holds it very well. What would a back stitch do at the tip of
Bruise it.
it would bruise your fabric. Especially when you have those shiny fabrics and you're pressing it, the iron sometimes can kind of like burn it, and you can see the markings of your stitches underneath. So, alright, so that's my shoulder dart. Now the next thing we're going to do is for the waist, we'll do another tuck here at the waist instead of a full dart. Make sure both of those match points are matched up. Alright, and here we're going to start sewing 2.5. Sew up to the match point and back stitch. So with a tuck, you're getting both the shaping of the dart around the body, plus you're also getting the fullness. So you're getting 2 in 1. Alright, so that's our tuck and the shoulder dart. Okay, and again, you guys can see how it starts to shape, and it's just building shape around your back, okay, which is less of a pointed area than the bust. Okay, so that is our back body.